Hi everyone, it's Mana. If Japan is on your travel list or you're planning to stay here for a while, you are in the right place. Because today, I'm gonna show you how to make some fabulous friends in Japan. Trust me, a little insight into the unique customs, culture, and character of Japanese people can turn a simple hello into a great relationships. This time, I'm focusing on how to connect with female friends. So, grab your notepad and let's dive into the heart of Japanese friendship etiquette. First off, I want to share 5 key characteristics of Japanese women with you. As you might know, over 90% of the population here is Japanese. But guess what? Many Japanese women are really into other cultures, so you are in luck. They are open and welcoming to different cultural expressions. However, before you rush in with a "Hi, I want to be your friend," there are a few things you should remember. The first characteristics you should be aware of is that many Japanese women tend not to initiate communication actively. They are relatively shy and modest at first, so you are trying to strike up a conversation for the first time. Keeping it light is best. And here's an important tip. If their reaction isn't quite what you expected, no worries. It's perfectly normal. Once they start to feel more relaxed, you will notice their reactions begin to change little by little. Let's move on to the second thing you must know. Humility is a natural behavior in our culture, especially among women. You might notice that self-assertion seems there. But if someone achieves great results on exams or tests, they might shine it confidently if you ask them about it. Generally, people who are too assertive about their successes can find it harder to make friends. You could even receive a cold stare. So, when you're getting to know someone, mirroring this humility is often the best approach. The third unique habit of Japanese women is their love for gift exchanges. They often bring snacks from home to their workplace and share them almost every day. If they receive these small gifts, they will usually bring small the next day in return. Japanese women enjoy sharing things like sweets and snacks. This kind of giving is seen as a heart-to-heart connection with others. The practice of exchanging small gifts not only helps strengthen bonds but also build friendships. It's a lovely gesture that communicates care and a sense of community, making it a key part of social interaction in Japan. But don't worry, gift exchange isn't a must. You can absolutely build great relationships without it. I just wanted to share this fantastic way to start building relationships with Japanese women, as it can really help break the ice and show your interest in forming a genuine connection. The fourth important tip when making friends in Japan is to always be punctual. Many Japanese, especially women, are very conscious of time. This is particularly true in big cities when it feels like time flies by. So, if you are planning to meet up with Japanese women, make sure you are on time. Showing that you can manage your time well helps build trust. If you are lax about punctuality, you might find it harder to make plans in the future. Remember that time is just as precious as yours. The fifth characteristic of Japanese women is that their conversations often focus on building empathy. You might find these kind of discussions a bit dull at times. Honestly, I sometimes feel bored by those conversations. But empathy can be healing and it's crucial for forging strong bonds. In many casual situations, women seek empathy, which is why they engage in these conversations. Do women in the countries share this trait? I've noticed that in many places, women tend to enjoy more debate and sharing opinions with their friends. What do you think? Have you noticed this in your own country? This is off topic, but at my previous workplaces, I noticed that younger women, especially those who had studied or lived abroad, tended to express clear opinions and thoughts without hesitation. They are accustomed to speaking their minds clearly. However, in Japan, many people tend to avoid direct expressions of their own opinions and thoughts outside of professional settings because empathy is a significant part of our culture. In Japanese, Jo and Nasake are expressions that embody the sense of empathy. Jo refers to a deep emotional connection and understanding, often leading to compassionate actions. Nasake is similar, emphasizing kindness and sympathy towards others' feelings. These concepts are key in understanding why direct communication is less common here. So, putting yourself in someone's shoes is really important here when making friends in Japan. Sometimes you might question their sympathy because a lot of their reactions involve just nodding. But this nodding often reflects a deep respect and understanding. I hope this video helps you understand the characteristics of Japanese women. Many are kind, often greet you with a wonderful smile and embody modesty. Traits you will notice right away. While their energy might not seem overwhelming initially, their consistent politeness and compassion shine through. You are sure to discover their unique charm, and with my 5 tips, you will be making Japanese friends right away. Remember, they appreciate a good sense of humor, so don't forget to bring your funny side to the conversation. Good luck! Thank you so much for watching my video until the end. I would be happy if you hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye!